Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Sunday, October 19th, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, David. I'm good, thanks. The weekend was relaxing. How about you?
I'm fine, a little sleepy. This coffee wakes me up. Busy day ahead?
Yes, meetings all morning. You?
Sales calls, non-stop. Hey, did you see the news this week?
A bit. What's on your mind?
The government shutdown. It started a few days ago, no funding bill.
I know. It's the first in years federal workers are furloughed.
Yeah, over 800,000 people. No pay, that's tough.
It is essential services run, but many offices close.
Our company deals with government contracts. Sales might drop.
True, projects delay. We need to watch our budget.
Exactly. I talk to clients daily, they worry about payments.
What do you think caused it? Politics again?
Probably. Congress can't agree. Always the same story.
It affects everyone. Families lose income. Not fair.
No, remember the last shutdown? It lasted weeks.
Yes, this one might too. Hope they fix it soon.
Me too. Otherwise, more coffee breaks like this to complain.
Good point. Let's talk about something else, tech news.
Oh, the Nobel Prize in Chemistry, they announced it.
Yes, to 3 scientists. Susumu Kitagawa, Richard Robson, and Omar Yageh.
For metal organic frameworks. Tiny structures like building blocks?
MOFs, right? They hold gases and molecules.
Yeah, like a sponge, but super small for clean energy.
It's controversial. Some say it changes storage tech.
Imagine cars with better fuel, or batteries that last longer.
In our office, it means new tools for projects.
As a sales rep, I sell tech stuff. This excites clients.
Does it? How?
They want efficient systems. MOFs help with that.
Smart? But is it ready for everyday use?
Not yet. Still research, but big potential.
Agreed, science moves fast. We adapt in management.
True. I read it's like Hermione's handbag from Harry Potter.
Funny magical storage fits the idea.
Yes. Make science fun, not just numbers.
It does. Now any culture news?
The Nobel in Literature to Laszlo Krasznahorki.
The Hungarian writer for his visionary books.
Yeah, about art in apocalyptic times, deep stuff.
His style is unique, long sentences. Melancholic.
I don't read much, but it's news in sales circles too.
Why?
Stories sell. His books inspire marketing ideas.
Interesting. He reaffirms art's power. In tough world.
Like our office dramas, small but real.
Exactly. Literature helps us reflect.
True, makes breaks better. Like this chat.
Yes, he's the second Hungarian winner. After 2002.
Cool, shows global voices matter.
It does. Society needs that, especially now.
With shutdown and tech changes, art balances it.
Well said. Time flies here.
Yeah, coffee's gone. Back to work?
Soon, one more thing. Weekend plans?
Family dinner, you?
Movie night. Relax.
Sounds good. See you later, Alex.
See you, David. Have a productive day.
You too. Don't work too hard.
I'll try. Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.